original home. Then, these are the behaviors that you might see the question. Maybe, first, bago natin.
These behaviors and presentations like ours help to keep the dolphins healthy, engaged, and active. The connection we share with them allows us to learn through our mutual curiosity. And the knowledge we gain helps us to better care for the dolphin species around the world.
So, what we discover today, very soon we'll join the Dolphin Island and find out.
And now, one more thing. For those of you sitting in the first several rows, you are in our splash zone. And you will get wet. So, good luck and...
That was crazy.
Hello, I am Wasim, keeper of stories and traditions. Welcome to Dolphins, their endless curiosity, constantly seeking and learning. I'll sense a deep curiosity in you too. Like the dolphins, you're eager to explore and make new discoveries. Well, you have come to the right place. For when dolphins leap through the waves of the open ocean or hunt in the seagrass meadows, they connect the many layers of the ocean, both below and above. Here we celebrate our bond with nature through the rhythms of the sky and sea. So join us on an adventure of discovery. Release your curiosity and let your creativity flow.